Hey guys, Chef Rabbit here with Dherbs Kitchen. I have a holiday drink for you all I'm really excited about. This is a vegan hot chocolate. So to start, we're going to warm 2 cups of almond milk. And to that, I have 2 types of meltable vegan chocolate. There's a lighter chocolate and a darker chocolate. It's going to give some depth of flavor, some richness of flavor. Just going to let those hang out and melt together. So what I've done here is 2 teaspoons of cocoa nibs or cocoa powder mixed with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1/4 tablespoon of nutmeg. This is going to give us that rich flavor, little holiday body to our warmed almond milk, which will be used to make our hot chocolate. So this is the hot chocolate that we're going to use. To that, we're going to add 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract. This is alcohol free. I'm going to give this a whisk. And while we're whisking, I can see the chocolate starting to melt, so that's when I'm going to add the chocolate. Oh, you can just smell it. The cinnamon, the ginger, the nutmeg. And just whisk until it's thoroughly combined. Our now hot chocolate, because it's almost complete, for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. You just want to make sure the chocolate is completely melted. You should see a complete amalgamous mix. It should be like a chocolate juice. This is so beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see this, try this, and taste this. So now that we have our warm drink, it is time to serve it up. Have a beautiful holiday themed mug. Remember guys, this is scalding, piping hot, so it's not something you want to drink right away. Just let it cool down like you would a tea or a coffee. And because it's so viscous, it's going to retain its heat, so be mindful of that. But do you see how gorgeous and rich this hot chocolate is? So I'm just going to leave a little bit at the top. And you guys have our wonderful producer to thank for this. I have 2 very fun and friendly toppings. These are a store-bought vegan marshmallow. This is vanilla flavored, so this is really fun. What's hot chocolate without marshmallows? Vegan marshmallows at that. And then for a little fun, because we had no idea we'd be able to find these, this is some crushed peppermint. So those holiday candies. Vegan hot chocolate. Check that out, guys. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, it's warm. Something for the holidays. I hope you all enjoy. For this recipe, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You can find it at www.dherbs.com/chefrabbit.